How to get rid of blackheads. Our skin accumulates all kinds of grime like dirt, sebum, oil and dead skin cells on a daily basis. This can result in clogged pores and hair follicles, leading to skin-related concerns like blackheads, whiteheads, acne, etc. Blackheads look like tiny, raised bumps on the surface of the skin, mostly black in color. They are caused when oil and sebum block the pores on your skin. This happens when the skin is not cleansed properly and the oil settles in the pores over time. And when it's exposed to air, it oxidizes and turns black, forming blackheads. A is a problem faced by many individuals. It's common and very annoying, and most people get them at some point in their life. The most common area where the blackheads appear is the face. In fact, they can be classified as a mild type of acne. In medical terms, blackheads are open comedones. Blackheads are frequently seen on the nose, corner of the nose, cheeks, forehead and the chin area. But these can appear on other parts of the body as well. Do you want to learn how to remove blackhead naturally? Tackling blackheads can be very painful. The first of firsts for getting rid of blackheads is moisturizing the skin with the right cream or moisturizer. A salicylic acid is a great option for dissolving blackheads away, and it can be found in over-the-counter products available in the market. Retinoid skin creams are also a useful way to get rid of blackheads. Drinking a lot of water can help in hydrating the skin surface by keeping the potent oil blocks away. Follow this easy natural ways to clean the pores and remove blackheads using easily available ingredients. Lemon, salt and honey. The astringent quality of lemon will cut grease, while the fine granules of salt will act as a non-abrasive scrub for your skin. Honey will leave your skin moisturized and help keep the germs away. Make a paste with these 3 ingredients and apply on the blackheads. After 5 minutes, gently scrub in circular motions for a minute and let it stay for another 5 minutes. Wash away with warm water. Do this thrice a week. Egg white mask. Known for their skin-tightening abilities, egg whites make an effective ingredient for blackhead removal. When applied directly on the skin or as a mask, egg whites shrink the pores, hence forcing blackheads out. Being rich in nutrients, egg whites also improve skin texture and remove extra oil from the skin. Tomato. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and A, and have skin-brightening, oil-absorbing and pore-shrinking properties. This is especially good for people with oily skin, as tomato pulp effectively clears out the extra grease without being harsh. Cut a few round slices from a tomato. Rub a slice on your skin, focusing on the blackhead-infested areas. Alternatively, you can apply tomato pulp on your skin and wash it off with water once it dries. If you like this video, give it thumbs up. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to this channel.